Hi, my name is Galia and this is Bits of My Life in Israel. And I'll show you my dogs. Actually not mine, but this one is mine. Jack, this cute dog. This one is Tai Chi, is a guest here. And this one is Tinkerbell. Can you see her? Okay. And our newest guest is this one. His name is Sky. He's going to be very, very large dog. Yes, doggy. He's going to be about the size of Saint Bernard or more. And this is my cat, Panika, who doesn't really like the dogs. Actually, she hates them. You are so cute. And my daughter, Gabrielle. Say hi. תגידי hi. She's very, very tired. We got more cats. I'll show you. This one upstairs is Hysteria. She's Panika's sister. And there's another cat somewhere. And that's about all for now. Bye.